Before using the machine, plug the sensor assembly into the main unit jack, screw it on, and secure it. The anemometer has high precision measurement, fast capture of temperature changes, different wind speed unit settings, so that the data on the large color LCD screen presents professional performance. The cover protecting the sensor should be opened downwards in advance of the measurement. The retractable bionic design supports 300% extension and deformation, making it easy to detect data and respond quickly in complex environments such as narrow paths.